boys and girls. Today I'm going to talk to you about problem-solving strategies. The first strategy we're going to use is called drawing a picture or diagram. You can apply this strategy to any word problem you're solving. Let's first look at the steps we're going to use to solve problems. The first thing we're going to do is read the problem. Underline important information. Next, decide on a strategy you'd like to use to solve the problem. After that, solve the problem. After you finish solving the problem, read over your work. Be sure your answer makes sense. Let's look at the first problem. Walter has 3 blue fish and 2 red fish. Kim has 1 black fish. Norma has 8 goldfish. How many more fish does Norma have than Walter? Let's underline important information in our problem. It's important to know that Walter has 3 blue fish and 2 red fish. It's important to know that Kim has 1 black fish and Norma has 8 goldfish. Let's think about what we're trying to solve here. We want to know how many more fish Norma has than Walter. Okay, let's draw a picture of our important information. We know Walter has 3 blue fish and 2 red fish. Kim has 1 black fish and Norma has 8 goldfish. Okay, here's the picture we drew. Next, we're trying to figure out how many more fish Norma has than Walter. Okay, so knowing that Kim has 1 black goldfish is not going to help us in this problem, so I'm going to put an X over that. All right. Let's try to figure out how many more fish Norma has than Walter. Here are Walter's fish and here are Norma's fish. Walter has 5 fish, Kim has 1, and Norma has 8 fish. Okay. You can solve this problem 2 ways. First, you can think about Walter's fish, his 5 fish. Your question mark represents how many more to get till 8. Okay. Or you can solve this problem by thinking about Norma's fish, take away Walter's fish, and you'll get the answer. Solving the problem this way or this way will both get you the correct answer. Using the diagram is what's going to help you solve it. The answer to the problem is Norma has 3 more fish than Walter. Let's look at another problem. Dan's brother likes to count all the legs of animals in a pen. He counted 32 buffalo legs. How many buffalo were in the pen? Let's underline important information. There are 32 legs, and we're trying to figure out how many buffalo were in the pen. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is draw our picture. I'm going to draw the 32 legs. Under each leg, I'm going to count them by 2's. That way I know I have 32 legs there. Okay, there's where I drew my legs to get to 32 legs. Now I have to think about what I already know. I know buffalo have 4 legs each. Okay, it's an animal that walks on 4 legs. So that means that 1 buffalo has 4 legs. I'm going to use my picture for help now. I'm going to draw a circle around each of 4 legs. Okay, this yellow circle represents 1 buffalo. This represents another buffalo, another. Now I have 3 buffalo, 4 buffalo, 5, 6, 7, and 8 buffalo. That picture shows me that there are 8 buffalo in the pen, okay? And there are 32 legs in all, okay? If there are 32 legs, so there are 8 buffalo in the pen. All right, boys and girls, today I taught you how to use a picture or diagram to solve a problem. Hopefully, you'll be able to use this strategy in school when you're solving the problem. Good luck.